Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Here is a quick guide to help you reduce or eliminate this issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks. Use a can of compressed air or a soft cloth to gently clean around the sticks to remove any particles that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Adjust deads and settings. In the game settings, look for the controller or input settings. Adjust the deads and settings for the analog sticks to a higher value. This can help minimize the impact of any slight movements caused by drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has a firmware update available. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware, which can sometimes resolve drift issues. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Access the calibration settings on your console or PC. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller. This process can help reset the analog sticks and improve their responsiveness. Step 5. Consider a replacement. If the drift persists despite cleaning and adjustments, it may be time to consider replacing the controller. Look for a model known for durability or one that offers a warranty for peace of mind. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in Red Dead Redemption 2, allowing for a smoother gaming experience.